Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to unbox again an item that I ordered from CARHARTT USA. So I ordered this item last month, the month of April of 2026, and I have been wanting to have this item as part of my collection and as part of my workwear. So I ordered this. I think the item cost me $89, and I ordered also another tracker cap, which is also the same fabric as this one, and I did not have any unboxing video for that. So I ordered them at the same time. However, they came from different locations in the United States. So, and they arrived at a different dates in my forwarding address, which is the Johnny Air Cargo Plus, which is based in Los Angeles, California, USA. So, we're going to unbox this item and we'll see what is inside. So we have here a loose straight, I think they call it B01 double knee jeans or workwear or pants. So loose straight with the size 31 in waist and then size 30 in the inseam. So we're going to open and remove the plastic. So this is it. This is the front, and it is cheaper. You have the double knee, and I think the weight of this is maybe the way I see it, maybe 14 ounces per square yard, and you had a lot of rivets on stress points on these pants. You have a side pocket, knife, and you have for tools like hammer or thing which you can place the hammer, or you can place a knife, folded knife. And then at the back you have big pockets on the left and on the right, and of course we have also another pocket knife and a hammer loop on the other side of the leg. So the dimension of this, as I said, is size 31 on the waist, and of course on the inseam is size 30. So this is a very nice workwear, and I intend, actually I'm planning to have this faded. Maybe I will have this as one of my entries in the yearly Indigo Invitational. I'm saving this for the next Indigo Invitational, hoping that they will allow me to use a duck canvas as my item for competition. So we'll go now to the fitting video, and thank you very much once again for watching this video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.